And it's not, of course, unusual for historians to be divided into competing schools, as historians, certainly in this country, are trained to interpret the facts and not simply to recite facts. And when you interpret facts, you are going to reach conclusions, and we are unlikely to all come to the same conclusion. So when I talk about the big questions of Vietnam, there are two that stand out above all else and are fundamental to this debate. The first is, was the Vietnam War necessary for the protection of American interests? According to the Orthodox school, the answer is no. The war was not necessary to protect American interests. The revisionists, on the other hand, say, yes, in fact, the war was strategically necessary. It was necessary to protect American interests. The second fundamental question is, was the war winnable? Orthodox school says no, the war was not winnable. Revisionists say yes, in fact, the war was winnable had different courses of action been taken.